Messengers of joy, the spiritual gift of hummingbirds. One day, in the park, I met a hummingbird, a divine messenger of nature. In various cultures, hummingbirds are considered symbols of joy, hope and love, and representatives of the connection between the earthly and spiritual worlds. In Mayan culture, they were seen as sacred messengers of the gods and bearers of good omens. May their presence remind us of the beauty and magic that surrounds us, and inspire us to live with joy and hope. Messengers of joy. Thank you for watching.